Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on creating work orders through RTO Streamline. At Premier Portable Buildings, our #1 goal is to provide our dealers with all the information they need to manage building sales as efficiently as possible. Today, we're going to go over how to create a work order on RTO Streamline. So, let's get started. First, we need to log on to rtostreamline.com. Your rep will provide you with a login ID and password that's specific to your dealership. Make sure to save this information somewhere safe in case you forget it later. Once you've logged on, go to the left top corner to hover over Add and View Contracts, and click on the drop-down option Contracts Dashboard. This dashboard will show all the customers you have added in the past. Next up, let's look at the different building purchase options on our RTO dashboard. During a building sale, your customer will either elect to pay for their building 100% outright or rent to own. On the top right corner, you'll see two green buttons, Contract and Cash Buyout. If a customer chooses a rent to own option for their building, you'll click on Contract. Then fill out the entire order form all the way down to the bottom. All right, back to the dashboard. If a customer chooses to buy their building outright, you'll click on Cash Buyout. You'll then fill out that entire form all the way down to the bottom as well. Now, you may see some customer names in green or red on your own RTO dashboard. What does this mean? Well, if the name is in green, it means that the order has been completed and is already sent back to our home office to be processed. Once the customer's name is green, you'll not go back into that order and edit anything. If the customer's name is in red, that means that the order is unfinished, or it's an order that's going to be sent to the customer via DocuSign. Even after the customer has signed and you've emailed that order into the home office, that customer's name will always stay red. Okay, so let's go back to our work order form examples. First, you'll fill in the customer's basic information, such as name, email, and address. Then, you'll move to the building section where you'll fill in the selected building style, size, colors, and any extra options the customer may want. After completing that, you'll add any additional information the order form needs. Rent-to-own sales will require the customer's rental information as well as references and employer information. After all the customer's information is complete on the work order, at the bottom right, you'll click Continue to Uploads. The image uploads required will depend on which type of order form you're using. On a rent-to-own order, you'll need to upload two forms of customer ID. One must be a driver's license or passport. The second can be a utility bill, social security card, fishing license, or copy of vehicle insurance. You'll need to upload all customer ID forms to the order as JPEG images. Any building that is a custom order will require a diagrammed image of how that building will be created. This needs to be clear and with as much detail as possible. This helps keep us organized as a company, but also ensures that our customers get the exact building they want. Now, you'll also see a spot here for check payments. If the customer is paying with a check, it must be made payable to Premier Portable Buildings. You'll need to upload a JPEG image of the front of that check as well. But maybe your customer plans to use a debit or credit card for payment. If a customer is going to pay with a card, simply click Continue at the bottom right. At the top of the next page, you'll see Payment Method. From there, select Credit/Debit and fill in the appropriate card information. After that, click Submit at the bottom right and you're good to go. After completing the entire building order, you'll click back to your contracts dashboard, and that customer's name will be green. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive an email from the home office showing that the order has been processed. And that's all there is to it. We truly appreciate your time, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Contact your Premier Portable Buildings rep if you have any questions.